Share the reality of photograph. See, he looks alone, but in reality, look at this. Look at this. Hi everyone, I hope you're watching my vlog. जिसने अभी तक फॉलो और सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, अपनी अटेंडेंस अभी दो, पहले सब्सक्राइब करो, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। एक मोटिवेशन भी होता है किसी के लिए, यू नो, आपके एक एक कमेंट का आई वुड से मुझे मेरा दिन बन जाता है वो कमेंट्स पढ़ के। सो आपके फीडबैक कमेंट जो भी आपको देने हैं आप दो, मैं आई एम ऑलवेज रेडी टू लिसन। सो अब व्लॉग स्टार्ट करते हैं। मैं इटली में हूँ। इटली में जगह का नाम है रोम। रोम इज़ वन ऑफ द ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस इन इटली। सो देखते हैं क्या होता है। ये मेरे रूम का व्यू है, मैं आपको भी दिखाता हूँ, वीडियो अटैच करूँगा। सो दिस इज़ द व्यू ऑफ माई रूम एंड एक्चुअली इट वॉज ब्यूटीफुल। कितना ग्रीन है, राइट। ये मेरे लोग हैं जिनके साथ मैं बाहर गया था रोम में, एंड दे ऑल वर सो फनी एंड सो नाइस। मतलब बहुत फन किया हमने पूरे। सो वी आर आउटसाइड, वी बुक्ड अ उबर। हम वेट कर रहे हैं, हम देखते हैं हम कहाँ। हम कोलोसियम जा रहे हैं। एक्चुअली मैं क्या ही सरप्राइज़ बताऊँ, ये मेरा सेट है दोस्तों का। हम बाहर जाके मज़े करेंगे। उबर का वेट कर रहे हैं अभी। आर उबर इज़ देयर और नॉट? शाम हो गई है।
Sky is so nice.
The sky looks so beautiful.
Yeah.
It doesn't look real. You should need. Guys, somewhere I read कि ये Colosseum is 1937 years old and this is the only ancient largest. अगर आप रोम आए और आपने कोलोसियम नहीं देखा तो आप क्या खाक रोम आए। Guys, जीता जागता आर्किटेक्चर मार्वल। एक और रीज़न है रोम आने का, वो ये कि यहाँ का जो आर्किटेक्चर है बहुत प्यारा है। हमारे दोस्त पीछे रह गए हैं, मेरे साथ हैं।
What's up, hi guys.
Say hi. Is it your good side? Is it actually? I have to be honest. This is also my good side.
All my sides are good sides. All of them.
But for me, this side is the good side.
Look at you.
Guys, look at this. हम अभी एक दूसरे का सेल्फ इंट्रो कर रहे हैं। Julie, say hi from South Africa, yeah?
Yes, South Africa.
रोम में आके बहुत खुश हो रही है वो। Oh, I want to ask you a question, Julie. Is it your first time in Rome?
No, this is my second time in Rome, but last time I was pulled out from standby.
Second time in Rome.
I was pulled out from standby and only.
No, the question was only, is it your first time?
Understand. It's not my first time, but I didn't go out last time because.
Okay,
only had,
इस बार इसको मैं
18
मिल गया।
hours.
मैं बहुत अच्छा बंदा हूँ। She found me in this layover, so she's really happy, right?
I am. I'm so happy, man. The food, the energy. It's just
Yeah.
so. Even though we lost each other for now, it's fine. We'll sort it out later. You know. Yeah, but it's so great.
I think everybody wants to have a picture here, right?
Yeah, take a
Julie, why don't you take a picture here?
I don't want to take a
Go,
picture.
go. Why? You're here, you don't want souvenir? Give a good pose.
Yeah, that was my good pose.
मतलब आई फील कि मैं स्लो नहीं हूँ। आगे एक बंदा जा रहा है, वो बहुत तेज चल रहा है। So something is wrong. Babe, do you think you're slow?
No, I'm not.
So why are we always lagging behind?
Yeah.
And that person is around more than 38 years old.
No sense of urgency.
Yeah.
I'm 37.
Who is 37?
Me.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
I cannot believe this.
Yeah.
Huh? Hi.
I'm 37.
No, you're kidding me. Of course.
I'm 1980.
ये झूठ बोल रही हैं लड़कियाँ. She looks like. You know, I'm also 1997.
Oh, that's good.
So,
What?
outfit check. Can I know how much is your outfit for?
Sickness is for now.
Looking good for is it?
Is eternal. Sickness for now.
This is so beautiful, right? ये कोलोसियम है. It was built in some century. I don't know idea. बताता हूँ बाद में. Share the reality of photograph. See, he looks alone, but in reality, look at this. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now, I want you to soak in this beautiful night view of Colosseum. जो lighting और जो vibe थी इस place की, it was out of the world. मतलब आना तो बनता है, रोम तुम्हारा बनता है. ट्रैफिक और एम्बुलेंस लाइट का सही कॉम्बिनेशन यूज कर रही है ये लड़की. Guess his age, you will be shocked. He looks so young, right? Skin is melting. कमेंट करो इनकी एज में बताता हूँ क्या एज है. These are Bobo. This place is so pretty.
You're aware.
The menu.
Would you like to join this?
Who will sit here?
It's a little bit close to the heater.
I'll be in the middle.
Some of us are not.
I'm ready to go.
Some of the. Okay, yes, she is hell now.
And the air is going straight.
Yes.
They all look so cute.
You will sit here.
We finally found a very nice restaurant for our Italian food. We all ordered so much food here. ये wine tasting चल रही है because to decide which wine. What a coincidence! My friend found a Myanmar guy here. But this is so rare, right? To find Myanmar. Yeah, this is.
Yes, it's really hard to find here, you know.
And you give so many hints, but he kept saying some other China, Hong Kong, Bhutan also.
I was saying because that's why I was saying because we have so many different tribes. So
Yeah.
The tribes he was belonging is very close to the Vietnamese.
Oh, that's nice. And cheers.
What is that? Is this the one?
What happened in Barcelona?
No, it's cheap. Really? Barcelona.
What's that?
Wine is very cheap.
Spain. Spain. Buy
So she brewed.
I brewed. I bought brewed.
But actually,
cheaper in Africa.
in Germany also cheap, no? If you go to the club. Yeah.
Even in Georgia. Is here. This is.
Does anybody want to list these wine?
You had it?
You were the one who ordered the sweet, no? You were like,
He's having the same as me. So name it. What is it?
This is carbonara.
Carbonara.
Not too
Same.
Carbonara with bread.
It's apple juice.
I think it's literally carbonara. No, it's
I don't know how to call.
spaghetti. Yeah. Spaghetti. And my favorite risotto. Mushroom risotto with some truffle oil. The best. And that Myanmar guy, the server, was so nice that he gave us free limoncellos shots. So really want to say thank you to the person. He really liked our company as well.
I was joking. It's not one shot. You cannot do one shot with this one.
Yes, you can.
Aram se.
If you're determined.
Much. I can't do one shot with this one. It's too much.
Yeah, it's true. Maybe
It's too much.
Cheers. She changes her opinion every time. In the beginning, she was like, "This limoncello, I cannot." After when I said,
now I kind of want to
"It's
know.
okay, it's nice."
No, she
Makes you feel warm.
Maybe the whole bottle?
That's why.
Everything she wants a full bottle.
But it's nice. It's really nice.
It makes you feel warm actually. I feel a little warm now, yeah.
No, when you sip it, it's like pure alcohol and then lemon. But when you
Yeah.
sip it one shot, it's really good.
Actually.
Yeah,
Approved. Limoncello approved.
we're gonna share half or divide it.
I want to specially mention this. ये लड़की ने 20 यूरो की टिप डाली मत एक लड़की ने मतलब it's a big thing actually because you know ये she really started her job and I feel like it's such a nice thing she is doing for the guy who served us and यहाँ पे ये रेस्टोरेंट का नेम है क्योंकि ये बहुत अच्छा हमारा सर्विस हुआ है यहाँ पे so we are very impressed so I'm recommending you all that you should also visit this place if you are in Rome. जब कोई ऐसे टिप देता है तो लोग शॉक में चले जाते हैं.
What are you?
This girl is in shock.
We're in the US. You take this one.
Time to go.
Time to go?
The button
Going
about
home?
to press.
Final answer.
Going home.
She has done it.
You have to choose correct one, yeah, because otherwise they will drop you one or two or whatever. I don't know.
We'll just say. What is the limoncello hitting you?
after a great meal. इतना मजा आया करें. How was the meal? Tell.
It was so delicious. I had your what is it, risotto with the truffle oil. It was so good, you guys. And then I had this like prosciutto pasta. Okay, the pasta was a bit big,
loads of
but-
wine.
That wine. Okay, first wine. The first wine that we got was really good. It was Moscato, something Moscato. It tasted like.
I'm really
apple
glad that the whole
juice.
team was so great.
Look at them.
We enjoyed too much.
Look at them.
Now this is the time to end this vlog.
Okay, so
Thank you so much,
Ending notes. Thank
Julie.
you so much. It has been such a pleasure. What a layover. Let's do it again tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll
And
wake
watch
up
this
again.
vlog.
And
Watch
watch
this
the vlog,
vlog.
please.
So what they have to do? Tell them.
Please subscribe, follow. Who's this?
It's me.
Listen, after watching a vlog, what's mandatory to do?
Oh, you have to subscribe.
Like, subscribe, and
Follow.
Follow. Worship, whichever.
Worship. Okay. Please worship also. Very important.